Hello and welcome back to Upgrading Way. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the future of accounting and technology, how CPAs can stay relevant. The accounting world is evolving rapidly, thanks to advancements in technology. CPAs, like you, need to adapt to these changes to remain valuable in the profession. First, let us dive into the impact of technology on accounting. Automation and artificial intelligence are transforming routine tasks, such as data entry and reconciliation. This means CPAs must transition from manual tasks to supervising these AI systems. Cloud-based accounting software has revolutionized data management and reporting. CPAs should become proficient in using cloud platforms for real-time financial insights. Big data and analytics tools are unlocking hidden insights from financial data. CPAs with data analysis skills can provide invaluable strategic guidance. With more financial data online, cybersecurity is paramount. CPAs must understand cybersecurity principles to protect sensitive information. Let us explore how CPAs like you can stay relevant in this changing landscape. Continuous learning is key. Stay updated on the latest software, AI tools, and cybersecurity measures through courses, certifications, and seminars. Do not forget the importance of soft skills. Effective communication, critical thinking, and problem solving are vital for conveying complex financial information. Consider specialization. Areas like forensic accounting or cybersecurity consulting can be lucrative niches for tech-savvy CPAs. Embrace change. Be open to new ways of working. The profession will continue to evolve. Technology isn't your enemy, it is your ally. Learn to work alongside AI systems, streamlining tasks for efficiency and accuracy. Lastly, uphold ethical standards. As technology plays a larger role, maintaining data integrity and responsible use are paramount. The future of accounting is intertwined with technology. CPAs who embrace change, continuously learn, and uphold ethical standards will not just survive but thrive. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep evolving and stay relevant in the ever-changing world of accounting and technology.